you came to SYC during the summer and you want a bit of a reunion, or you want to experience what it's like for one day, then why not come along to SYC on tour? It'll be on Saturday the 10th of November. It's an all-day event in Widnes and it'll cost you just £5 per person, including your evening meal. Letters are available from the welcome desk, or see Dan for more information. Something new that we're going to be launching at the end of October. It is our leadership development nights. So they're going to be for anybody who's a leader here at Excel or who aspires to leadership as well. So everybody is welcome, and they are going to take place every time there is a 5th Wednesday in the month. So the first one will be on the 31st of October at 7:30 p.m. That's our leadership development nights. Hope to see you there.
Just how to pray. Could we be a prayerful people? Shake us up today, Lord, we're calling out.
Gentlemen, our next Courageous Men's event is going to be on Saturday the 27th of October at 6:30 p.m. It's going to be an evening of food, pizza and fun and games as well. It'll cost you just £6, and where appropriate we'd encourage you to bring along your father or your son as well. It'll be a fantastic evening. We hope you can make it to the Courageous Men event on the 27th of October.
Won't stay silent, won't stay silent. Won't stay silent, won't stay silent.
Late night worship will be taking place in half term as usual, but this time it's going to be on Friday night the 2nd of November, and that's going to be from 8:30 until 9:30 p.m. So come along and experience the presence of Jesus as we worship together on the 2nd of November. Ladies, it is our conference this Saturday devoted, so please get your tickets. It's the last chance today. It's going to be a great day of teaching featuring our very own Ada, Heather and Chipper, and also guest speaker Denise from Hope Church in Newtown. So tickets are £20, get them today, and that's everything to tell you about in Excel News this week. Also, next Sunday morning, Denise will be with us here at Excel Church, so we hope you can join us for that. We'll see you next Sunday for more.